Ah, hello, folks. Everybody's got corn out in their deer feeders. The little Texas little yellow acorns, I call them. But this is something here that I add to mine. This is called hen scratch or scratch feed, what have you. It's a lot of little grains in it, like maize, milo, cracked corn, wheat. What's the good thing about this is it will spread with your regular feeder. The birds will find it. You can get quail in, you can get doves in. It leaves a steady food supply for all kinds of birds. Now remember, it'll bring doves in. You can feed them, but you can't shoot the doves over it. It's unlawful to shoot doves on a baited area. So if you got mourning doves or white wings coming in there, don't shoot them on the feeder. That's against the law. But what we're going to do is see, I usually put about half this sack, about 25 pounds, in my feeder with the corn. And it'll sprinkle out periodically every time the corn goes off. And it's fun to watch the birds, if nothing else. Okay. Nowadays, everything's easy. They got the little easy openers on these sacks. Even an octogenarian can do it. Sometimes. Well, now that we've tested it, everything's running right. Looks like it's going to feed good. We'll be on our way. See y'all next time.